My name is Gretchen White. I work for Dr. Kent White, my husband, actually, in Nashville, Tennessee. We run a practice there, and it's a physiologic-based practice. And he has been coming out to the Las Vegas Institute for Advanced Dental Studies for over 20 years, and we were introduced to StellaLife through that process and journey because of the physiologic side of our dentistry. And once we had incorporated that, we had seen it do miraculous things with his surgical patients when he's doing implant dentistry. But what was remarkable is I went through my own health journey and had a huge health scare, and our StellaLife representation came in and said immediately to our staff, get Gretchen on the StellaLife while she's going through chemotherapy. And it was a game changer for me. I'm very passionate about talking about it, and I get emotional because there's so few things that you feel like you still have control over when you're going through a cancer journey, especially when you're on chemotherapy or radiation. And so to have even a teeny tiny piece of something that gives you some power or makes you feel like you're an advocate for your own body, StellaLife did that for me. And the biggest thing was that I was in the oncology ward going through chemo with people who were eaten alive with sores in their mouth going through chemotherapy. And here I'm sitting with maybe 2 or 3 at a time, and them clearing up within 2 to 3 days with my gel. And so my oncologist, of course, all the instructions are take baking soda, saltwater rinse every time you eat. And rather than doing that, I used the StellaLife rinse and never touched a baking soda saltwater rinse. And that was my protocol. And then it kept me from getting any external mouth sores. I used the spray on my lips. I used that rinse anytime that I ate. And then if I did get a small outbreak, which was only about 2 to 3 sores at a time, I would use the gel and they would clear up within a few days. So it was just one way, one of the many ways that I used to stay as healthy as I could, but keeping that under control and not having to have the weight and the burden of the pain and the misery of not being able to have nutrition and all of that was just, it's miraculous. I know that sounds dramatic to use that word, but it is. It's a game changer. And I now share this with anybody I know who's going through chemotherapy treatments. This has to be a part of your protocol to take care of your body the best way possible. And I am just forever indebted to you guys at StellaLife. We love you. Our office loves you. We so believe in you. And we are so part of spreading the word about how you all are helping change lives every day.